If you've ever heard that barking seal cough in the middle of the night emanating from your child, you know the fear that comes with croup. Here's something most parents don't know. There's a simple way to remember the top 3 homeopathic remedies for croup. Just think ash, A-S-H, aconitum, spongiatosta, and hypersulfuricum. These are the most commonly used remedies to calm that frightening cough. So instead of panicking, you can feel prepared because even in the middle of the night, you'll know what to do.